These are top 5 protest gone wrong moments. At number 5, peaceful protest until it wasn't.
What's going on here?
At number 4, this protest said plot twist. At number 3, the protest lost control. At number 2, they blinked and it was chaos. Number 1, everything was fine for like 2 seconds.